where the price more likely to go. Type shit.
Okay, let me break it down. You was right. You was wrong. You wasn't right. You wasn't wrong. Let me break it down. So boom. We check me out. So boom, right? We just gonna focus on this area right here. Fuck anything, yo. We just gonna focus on this area. Boom. This is the 4 hour, by the way. So here, oh, okay. Let me delete this. Delete this. Keep this here. Fuck it. Here we see price give like a push down, right? Push down.
Yeah.
To this level, it shows resistance. Cool. So we draw that down. Boom. We see a resistance. Boom. Right. Then we see price give a slight push. Right. So now we have a low. Now we have a high. Right. Then we see price give us a higher low. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because remember, we only focus on where the candle closed at, the closed deal. Where, because if we turn off the wicks, it's gonna look like this, beautiful. You know what I'm saying? So boom, easy to see. So now we see a higher low. A higher low. Now we have an indication because it's something new. We have an indication. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So now this indication here is telling us that if price goes back above here, it's gonna go here. You know what I'm saying? So now boom. Remember though, on the daily time frame, price still gave us a new low. Right? So since we got that new low, we know eventually price gonna go down. But right now we just got an indication to the upside. So now work with me, be with me, boom.
That means like it lets you know that it's gonna go up.
Correct, exactly. No, correct. Back. Okay. Let me continue. Continue breaking this shit down. So now boom. Today, price from this indication corrected. Right.
Yeah.
The correction took out. Remember, the correction is just liquidity taking out all these first timers like damn price going back up, let me get in buys, you know what I'm saying? So liquidity gonna come and take all their ass out, you feel me? Liquidity gonna come take all their ass out. So that's what happened here. Liquidity came, take all their ass out. Then buyers came back in New York session, showed you see what I'm saying? New York session is the red, by the way. In New York session showed you the first time around that price is ready to go now. You know what I'm saying? Because it broke back above it. It gave you the sign like, remember, after the indication, price go correct and give you a first time around. So this is that first time around. You see what I'm saying? I already gave you that first time around. Like, bro, I'm ready. Like, back above here, I'm ready to go up. You know what I'm saying? So now, what we seeing is price from that first time around correcting. If we see a higher low from here, that's just double low. So we'll see something like this, to where we have two lows, so two supports. So if we see a higher low get made here, we're not gonna predict anything. We're just gonna let price show us what it wants to do. So right now, prices could keep dropping if it wants to, or it could make a higher low. You know what I'm saying? It could make a higher low if it wants to, but the only thing we need to worry about is back above here is go time. You know what I'm saying? It's back above here is go time for buys. Wherever the low is made, boom, gonna be our stop loss. Back above here is go time because they already gave us that first time around that if this bitch go back above here, it's gonna go up. And we not aiming for this TP because remember, price. Okay, remember, let's break this down. Last week, I know you wasn't on the market a little bit, but last week, this was the trade, right? This was the trade for last week. Last week, price had gave this drop here, right? This low. Boom. This low, then you have a high. So you have a low and a high. Boom, right? Low and a high, then you have something new, which is an indication. So this right here is your indication. Get what I'm saying? Then you see price correct. Correct, respecting the same high level. You see that?
Same one.
Boom, right? Then given that first time around, right? You peep it? First time around, then corrected, giving us another low. You peep? Then right back under it is go time. Boom, 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 boom. TP hit. You see what I'm saying? So then now we have a new indication. You get what I'm saying? New indication here. This is the new indication. This little small one because it's what? Something new. It's under here now. So it's a new indication. You know what I'm saying? So now it's correcting. So now all we doing is just trading the correction back to up here to like support this level. Because remember, the correction always gonna go back to like its level, if that makes sense. So let me go back to this here so you can see what I'm talking about. So you see how this indication here came and it came from this high right here, boom, and then the correction came all the way back to this high.
Yeah.
Same thing we're looking for. The correction to come right back to a high. It could be this one, it could be this one, it could even be this one. All we know is the correction gonna happen. You know what I'm saying? So this how you trade the correction. So now boom. Here we see, break it down, we see a low, then we see a high. Then we see a higher high, a higher low, I'm sorry. A higher low we made. Then now you have an indication. Boom, indication. Price correct. Supporting this level. This wick don't mean nothing. Closed deal is all that. The closed deal candle closed right at the level. You know what I'm saying? Boom. Then we get that push first time around. Then price correct. So now back above here is what? Go time. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah, it makes sense.
That's it. That's it. That's all it is, bro.
So you saying just leave her running type shit?
All I'm saying is, if this bitch go back above this alert, it's go time for buys.
Type shit.
I'll be clicking buy in my shit, and my stop loss will probably be right here or wherever this low get made. And I'll be even, I won't even be targeting this high. I'll probably be targeting this one or even where my green is. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Just clocking in to show y'all we still holding this position. We might be targeting this TP here for 1 to 2 or this one right here, which is our 1 to 4. But either way, I'll just come back over here to show y'all we still in this position and we still holding. Yet again, I told y'all no financial advice. And y'all have a good rest of y'all day. It's currently Thursday, July 2nd. And yeah, good night. Good morning, good night, whatever time y'all watching this. See y'all later. Bye. I'll try.